This video walks you through how to check transaction history on eToro. Begin on the eToro screen where the main navigation appears along the left side. To get to your transaction records, first click Portfolio in the left sidebar. This opens the area that holds your current and past investment activity. If the page takes a moment to refresh, wait until the portfolio view is fully visible before moving on. At the top of the page, click My Portfolio. This opens the portfolio menu where you can move between different views connected to your account activity. Make sure you are opening the menu from the portfolio page since that is where the history option appears in the flow shown here. From that menu, choose History. This switches the page from your active portfolio view to a record of previous activity. The History section is where you can look back through actions that have already taken place in your account rather than positions that are currently open. Once you are in History, set the time frame for the period you want to review. Select the date range that matches the transactions you are looking for. This helps narrow the results so you are only viewing the part of your account activity that matters for that review. If you are checking a specific deposit period, a recent trade, or a past month of activity, make sure the selected dates match that window before you continue. After the time frame is set, review the transactions shown on screen. In this section, you will be able to look through your closed positions and previous investment activity. Move through the visible entries and confirm that the details shown match the period you selected. This is the main area for checking what has already been completed in your trading history. For a broader account record, open the account statement by clicking the statement icon. This takes you beyond closed positions and into the account transaction view, where you can see deposits, withdrawals, fees, dividends, and other account-related entries. If you need to compare trading activity with money moving into or out of the account, this is the place to check. The statement view is useful when the portfolio history alone does not include the full type of transaction you want to verify. As you look through the statement, review each category as needed and use the date range you selected as your reference point. That keeps your account review focused and helps separate investment activity from balance changes and account charges. Your transaction history and account statement on eToro are now open for review.